Alright, so this video is just for surface area of a rectangular prism. So starting out, so this is the formula that we're going to use here. This is 2 length width plus 2 length height plus 2 width height. So these are L's and not 1's. That's gotten confused in the past. So I just want you to make sure that you're careful with that. So you will notice that the back of the first page of this is blank. Normally I do double-sided. We use all the space, but you actually need a lot of space for these. So that's why I gave you that blank page here, okay? So I ripped mine off. You do not have to. Whatever you feel the most comfortable doing is completely fine, okay? So I'm going to start off kind of, number one, I'm going to go into detail with, because I just want to show you where this formula comes from, okay? So, like I said, this is the formula we're going to use, so I'm going to write it again. Oh, I ran out of paper. Holy cow. So we're going to start by looking at number one. So number one, I'm just going to redraw it. You do not have to redraw this one. Okay. So what I want you to see, again, like I was saying, is where this formula comes from. So this box here, okay, this rectangular prism, the bottom of it is 9 by 13. Okay. The left side of it is 9 by 3. The right side is the same thing. So this length is 9 and this one's 3. Okay. The front is 13 here. This was left, right. So the front is 13 by 3 again, and this is the front. The top is 9 by 13. So that one was the front, this is the top. So this length here is 13, this is 9. And then the back is the same as the front. So it's this little piece here. Okay, so you have 3 different sized rectangles. You have these orange ones, which the orange ones are 13 by 3. Okay, you have the top and the bottom. We'll do blue, which are 13 by 9. You have the side ones that are 3 by 9. Okay, so this is actually all your combinations of 13, 9, and 3. You have 13 and 3, 13 and 9, and 3 and 9. So this is 13 by 3, that's your length times your height. 13 by 9 is your length times your width, and 9 by 3 is width times height. But you have 2 of each. We want them all to be added together. So when we do that, we get a combination of this. So you'll notice that mine are out of order. These are just flip-flopped. But it doesn't actually matter when you end up writing the formula. Which ones of these are in which order, okay? Because addition is commutative. So that is where this formula comes from. Now that you understand that, for this one, you will always be given the formula, and all you have to do is just plug everything in, okay? So we said that our length was 13. Our width is 9, and our height is 3. So all I would do everywhere I see an L, I plug in 13. So it's going to be 2 times 13, that's your length, height's 3. Okay? 2 times 13, width is 9. 2 times 9, height's 3. Okay, so all I'm doing, plugging in length is 13. Height is 3. Length is 13. Width is 3. Width is 9. Height is 3. Okay, then you multiply the pieces. That's order of operations. You multiply first. So 2 times 13 times 3. 78. 2 times 13 times 9. 234. 2 times 9 times 3. 54, and then we add them. $366, and this is surface area. So surface area, square area. Area, square area, so this is millimeters squared. Okay. Alright, so I know I took up a lot of space for that, but that's fine. We're going to do number 2 next. Alright, number 2. This is, we'll say length, width, height. Okay, so number 2, height is 6, length is 20, width is 4. Okay, so we start with the same formula. And we plug in. Okay, so 2, length is 20, width is 4, plus 2, length is 20, height is 6, plus 2, width is 4, height is 6. Okay, so again, length 20, width 4, length 20, height 6, width 4, height 6. Plugging everything in, and then we're going to multiply. And I dropped my phone. Two times 20 times 6. 2 times 4 times 6. And add all the pieces together. I added it wrong. I typed something wrong. Whoops. And it's area, square area, so centimeters squared. Okay, so that's done. So this is the last one I'm actually going to do. So we had found our answers to be 366 millimeters squared, 448 centimeters squared. Okay, and you're going to do the rest. Right? I cannot stress enough on this one. Show your work. If you're not showing your work, you're going to plug something in weird and get a wrong answer. Okay? All I need to see is these 2 rows here. Okay? I would prefer to see 3, but these 2 is where you need to go. Okay? If I don't see those, it's going to be very hard for me to give you credit for this. Okay? So make sure you're showing your work. So go ahead and get to work and finish up the rest of this page.